water glassing eggs. Now, what does that mean? That means that we're going to make these shelf stable for up to 2 years. People have done it longer, but also done a lot of research and they say like up to 2 years to keep it for. Now, these have to be farm fresh eggs, unwashed. Why? Because fresh eggs have a coating on them called a bloom, and what that does is protect your egg from bacteria getting in it. The ones from the store are probably washed and you don't know how long that they've actually been sitting there for. Also, farm fresh eggs, unwashed, do not need to be refrigerated. I leave these on my counter for up to a few weeks and then I toss them in the fridge if they last that long. But we're going to water glass these because I want something on my shelf. Because my chickens, it's wintertime, they're not laying as much, so it's good to have something on your shelf, right? Let's do it. So to make this simple, because I've seen a lot of videos and they just don't really make it simple, okay? For every 4 cups, which is 1 quart, 4 cups equals 1 quart, according to Google, okay? Don't come at me. You're going to add 1 ounce pickling lime, which is approximately 2 heaping tablespoons full, okay? 2 heaping tablespoons full of pickling lime to 4 cups or 1 quart water, okay? So we have our first scoop of pickling lime. Okay, 1. And this is 2. Okay. Now we're gonna add a little water. Okay, add a little water. Now I'm mixing this in another jar and then I'm gonna pour it in there because what do you think's gonna happen if you try to mix it in there and shake it around with eggs? Mix it in another jar, okay? And I left a little bit of room. I'm gonna shake it and I'm gonna fill it up the rest of the way, so don't you worry. Let's shake it. Did I tell y'all that this was my first time doing this? So come along with me as we figure it out, alright? So I filled this up the rest of the way, I shook it. Let's try not to spill it. Famous last words. Okay, pour fast. And you just want to make sure that all the eggs are covered. That one kind of floated up a little bit. I may have to take that one out. Yeah, I'll take that one out. It's still like, alright, let's take it out and we'll add it to this one. At least then it will be 100% covered. We'll fill it up a little more. Right? So that is 100% covered. And we're just gonna, 100% covered, we're just going to put the top on it, put a date on it, and put it on the shelf. This will all settle in a few minutes. It will all settle. This is so exciting.